Welcome to the video on the anatomy of a laptop charger. We'll explore the essential components that bridge the electrical grid to our delicate electronic devices. We begin with the external assembly, focusing on the visible components and physical connections you interact with every day. The laptop charger manages the entire power chain. This includes energy conversion from high-voltage AC to stable DC, integrated circuit protection, and the universal link that connects to your laptop. The AC power cord is the first link, carrying raw 110 to 220 volt power. It is typically a detachable, heavy-gauge cord, often featuring a three-prong design for safety and grounding. The power brick, or AC-DC power adapter, is the core component. It performs transformation and rectification, converting chaotic high-voltage AC into the clean, low-voltage DC required by the laptop. Key internal components include the transformer, which steps down voltage, the bridge rectifier, which converts AC to DC, filter capacitors, and heat sinks for thermal management. Charger efficiency has significantly improved. The adoption of gallium nitride or GaN technology has pushed modern charger efficiency to nearly 96%, reducing both heat and physical size. The mysterious lump near the end of the cable is a ferrite bead. It acts as a low-pass filter to suppress high-frequency electromagnetic interference, preventing disruptions to signals like Wi-Fi. We use different connector types. These include traditional barrel connectors, the versatile USB Type-C standard with power delivery, and various proprietary tips designed by manufacturers. Laptops require precision power delivery, typically around 19.5 or 20 volts DC. Always ensure a replacement charger matches the required voltage exactly for safety and functionality. For maintenance and safety, keep the power brick ventilated and avoid tight cable wrapping. Immediately disconnect the charger if you hear buzzing or if the brick is too hot to touch. Thank you for watching this video on the power behind our productivity. These are the image sources used throughout the video.